How's it going, everyone? Audrey from Off Leash Canine Training here, and I've got Natasha. She's a 1-year-old golden retriever coming to us for our 2-week board and train program. Day one, this girl actually is super nervous out in public, and a lot of things scare her. Loud noises, cars, just different things kind of like that. She pulls extremely hard on leash when she walks. Doesn't necessarily listen to really any of the commands that you tell her that she does know. She does know a bit of sit and some of down, but does fight against both of them sometimes when she's out in public. So let's see what she can do on day one. As you can see, she loves to jump up, play with you, try and get her to sit. She'll just wants to get up to you. Goes into a down, but really was only doing it because she was trying to bite the leash. No concept of place, and does pull on a walk. So stay tuned in a short 14 days to see her results.
Hey guys, Tom here, Off Leash Canine Training. I just wanted to take a quick moment to personally thank you for taking time out of your day to watch one of our many transformation videos. If you liked the video, if you were impressed, go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like that, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever we do upload a video, which is almost daily. Feel free to head over to Yelp, Google, and our Facebook pages to see our many hundreds of 5-star reviews. And if you have any questions, hop on over to our website, westcoastolk9.com, or give us a call, 844-955-6559. We look forward to training your dog, and I'll talk to you soon.